Hello everybody, it's Artist King here. Welcome back to my channel. So glad you joined me today. I am attempting to do an abstract piece. And what I can say with this is I started it, as you can see, and I had an idea in mind because I tried to use like all the metallic colors, the silver, the bronze, the gold, and the copper. I started off using this, but somewhere along the way, it turned into something else. I kind of had an idea, but it just didn't go where I wanted it to go. So I will let you just enjoy this video, and I'll check back with you closer to the end, okay? Okay, so I'm back. I'm almost down to the end. I think doing this piece, I kind of lost my way and then tried to get my way back, and it just evolved and turned into something completely different. But I hope and pray that you guys liked it. It's different from anything that I've ever done on this channel. So, I just hope you enjoyed it. So at this point in time here, I didn't know what else to do, so I kind of decided to put some color, some red and some blues that would kind of stand out, which I believe made it okay. But anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Check out my Instagram, Art by W King, and I will see you next time, okay? Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye now.